Welcome back, everyone, to another delicious episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. Today, we're making a Greek-Mex bean bowl with some saffron rice. My oven's ready, which is a good thing. Some saffron rice and grilled chicken skewers that we're going to top off with a chipotle Greek yogurt sauce. Oh, so the first thing I got to do is get this garlic in the oven that you just heard is now ready. So let's get started. All right, season that garlic with some garlic infused olive oil. Plenty of good salt. Wrap that up like so. And then we'll get that in the oven. As you see, I got the oven at 400 degrees and we're gonna put that in there. It's gonna go in there for about 40 minutes. All right, so I got the garlic in the oven and now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pat dry our chicken that we're gonna use for the skewers. And then we're gonna season them up. I've got a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, oregano. It's just a mix of seasonings. One thing about this dish, it is not shy of flavor. And it'll all be in the description, so don't worry. But let's go ahead and get this patted dry so that we can season and put it in the fridge. I like to season my proteins and let it sit in the fridge just so that it's almost like a dry brine, right? So I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for a couple hours before we're ready to cook them. First, let's get a little bit of oil on them. A little bit of oil. Go ahead and start seasoning them up. All right, we got them turned over. Same thing on this side. Let's get some olive oil on there and season them up. Oh, look at that. All right, now that we got them all seasoned up, let's go ahead and get them into this dish here or container. Like I said, we're going to put these in the fridge for a couple hours, let them get all nice and marinated. Okay, so as I said, this is a Greek-Mex bean bowl. Okay, so we got garbanzo beans. This is more of the Greek side. Feta, cucumber, and a plethora of seasoning that's going to go in there. All right, let me just tell you what's in here. This is not shy of flavor. Okay, oregano, garlic powder, cinnamon, basil, dill, rosemary, thyme, parsley, salt, and pepper. And of course, like I said, feta and cucumber. Am I missing anything? I think I got it all. Like I said, not missing flavor. This is going to be great. There's two different beans going on. So this is the Greek side. So let's get that all into a bowl. We're going to mix it up and then we'll put it in the fridge. Like I said, let it rest as well. The garlic's almost done, which is great because I really want to get into making that yogurt sauce. So let's get all this together. All right, let's get some olive oil in there. Just a little bit, just about a teaspoon. Then we'll hit it with all that seasoning. And then toss it in around. Then goes in the cucumbers and the feta cheese. And again, toss that around. All right, so our bean is mixed. The garbanzos are mixed in. We're gonna get this in the fridge and let it set, and then we'll get into the black beans. All right, my garlic is done. Smells absolutely fantastic. So let's get started on that yogurt sauce. All right, now it's time to make that chipotle Greek yogurt sauce. And if you can't tell, I'm very excited about this. I think this is going to be the star of the show. I mean, chipotle, you get that smokiness, that little heat. Then you got the Greek yogurt. It's going to kind of tame it down, and all the other flavors. We got the roasted garlic, the cucumbers. We're going to put a little bit of basil, kind of mellow things out. Salt, pepper, white vinegar. I mean, oh, let me just hush. Let's get to it. All right, into the blender. The chipotle peppers, about 3 peppers, roasted garlic, white wine vinegar, diced cucumbers, no seeds, basil, healthy pinch of salt, healthy pinch of pepper, and a cup of Greek yogurt. And now time to blend it. All right, so now it's time to get a taste of that. Look at that. It's got good consistency. Woo! Wow, that's good. You get that smokiness, that heat from the chipotle, but it's a little mellowed down. You get that Greek yogurt, you get that cucumber. That cucumber comes in there. All the other seasonings are fantastic. Get a little bit of sweetness from that white wine vinegar and that tartness of tanginess of it as well. Of course, the acidity of it, you want that. So that's great. I'm not going to change anything. I like it the way it is. If you do want less heat, because it is a little hot, it is a little hot, put more yogurt and put a little bit more white wine vinegar, and just little by little, and then until you're satisfied. But that's great. Now let's get into the black beans. All right, so now for the black beans, same thing as the garbanzo beans, drained, rinsed, corn, just drained. I'm gonna add that into the pot, bowl. Tomatoes, diced, add that to the bowl. Avocado, diced. And lastly, all these wonderful seasonings. You've got salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, dry cilantro, garlic powder. Oh, I mean, come on. Like I told you, we are not shy of flavor here. And then you want to toss that all together. All right, so we got our black beans done. These are going to go in the fridge with the garbanzo beans for about, I'll put them in there for about an hour. The chicken will be ready by then, and we'll get everything on a plate. All right, so it's time to get the chicken on the skewers and get them on that grill pan. So these wood skewers here have been soaking in water for about 3 hours. So grab your chicken, and you just want to skewer it up, just like so. All right, let's get our grill going here. We'll set that at a medium heat there, using the large grill pan. And with this, we're going to get some good grill marks on our chicken. All right, now that my pan is heated well, let's go ahead and add these skewers. Ah, look at those nice marks we're getting there. Let them sit for a little bit longer. All right, let's get them flipped over. We've got our chicken all cooked. We're gonna let that rest, let those juices settle. It smells fantastic. But we still gotta make our rice. I know what you're thinking, oh my God, there's so much to this dish. Don't worry, 90-second rice. Check it out. We're gonna use this royal yellow rice, which is saffron and turmeric seasoned basmati rice. Oh, sounds delicious. 90-second rice. We're gonna put it in the microwave. Check it out. There it is, 90 seconds. Let's go ahead and get this into this bowl. Oh, look at that. Fluff her up. All right, let's let it sit for a couple minutes, and we'll get all the beans out the fridge and we'll start plating her up. All right, I don't even know where to begin with this. Let's start with the rice. Yeah, I think I want to put rice, bean, chicken skewer. Let's do it that way. Let's get that rice. This rice smells fantastic. Rice in. Let's go with the Greek beans over here. Oh, look at that. All right, now let's hit it with the black beans. Put that on that side. Lastly, we're gonna hit it with those chicken skewers. Oh, look at that. Just kind of space them out like that. Let's get this one under here. Down over there. Huh? What do you think about that? Ah, crap. And now, yeah, hit it with that sauce. Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Time to get a taste. All right. Whew. I don't even know where to begin to taste this plate. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's a lot going on. A lot of ingredients, a lot of steps, but do it the day before. Listen, this is a great meal. Do it the day before, and then you do it on a Sunday. Come home Monday after work, and you've got yourself a great meal. I mean, healthy, flavorful. The Greek garbanzo beans, feta, cucumber, all those seasonings. The Mexican side, black beans, corn, avocado, tomato, that saffron rice, that chicken. Chicken smells fantastic. I can't wait to try that. And of course, that chipotle Greek yogurt sauce. Okay, I know it's a lot. I knew going into this that it was going to be a lot, but I really wanted to find a way to just mesh these two culinary cultures together, Mexican and Greek, and this is it. So let's have a taste. I'm gonna start with the black bean side. It's got a little bit of that chipotle yogurt sauce. Mm. Oh, that's so good. That cumin in there, nice robust flavors of those seasonings, that nice sweet corn, tomatoes. So good. Now let's go over here to the Greek Isles. Oh, look at that. Garbanzo beans, you got the cucumber, the feta. Oh. You know what I love about cinnamon in Greek food is you don't realize that it's cinnamon you're tasting. You taste this certain spice. Like, what is that? What is that? It's cinnamon. That cinnamon does something to this. I mean, that's fantastic. Not sweet. It's just it really gives it this robust flavor. I love it. Sneak over here to this saffron rice I'm excited about. Look at that. Nice basmati rice, those long grains. Mm. Oh, that is delicious. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, we got to hit that chicken. Look at that, folks. Will you look at that? That's on a grill pan. Not outside, inside, on a grill pan. You can do it. I just showed you how. Let's get into that. Mm. Oh, yeah. Whew. You get that chipotle. That is fantastic. Make that. I mean, please make that. I know it's a lot. Make it the day before. Easy. Put all this together the day before. Season your chicken. Leave it seasoned overnight. Then all you got to do is throw it together, cook that rice for 90 seconds, plate it up. Do it the night before. But make that. Because this is just too good. Oh, this is fantastic. Best dish I've made. I'm saying that right now. So far, this is the best dish that I have made. Eat well, my friends. Eat well. Mm.